Alright, so you guys must have seen so many of these funny fruit shorts all over the TikTok, right? And no wonder, these type of videos are getting tons of millions of views and monetized so many of the TikTok pages. Like, take a look at this TikTok channel. This channel has only created few of the funny fruit short videos, and it has already gained like 2.1 million, 18.2 million, 35.5 million on one of his recent fruit short videos. So today in this video, we're gonna see how you can go ahead and create these kind of funny fruit videos very easily by using just one or two AI tools. So without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so first of all, we're gonna go ahead and pick any video from this TikTok channel. Let's just say we pick this, the most famous video, which is 35.5 million views one. I'm gonna go ahead and play that.
Shut the door.
Relax, your husband trusts you.
This can't go on.
You always say that.
This is the last time.
Honey, I'm home. Did you have to stay late at work again?
My boss was really demanding.
I hate when he treats you like that.
All right, so this is quite funny. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and just go to the
Shut the door.
very beginning of this video. We're gonna go ahead and take a screenshot from here. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to ChatGPT and simply need to go ahead and paste your screenshot right here. And then we're going to say something, some direction to ChatGPT, like, so I want to go ahead and create YouTube shorts, or it can be TikTok videos like this in 9:16 aspect ratio, where there would be procedure that I have. So the thing is, we're going to start is like, you have to provide the same exact render of these cartoons. So they would be like, banana as a person and strawberry as a hot girl, and with tight dress and everything. We are going to create those images with ChatGPT and all of the details, like, I provided the complete story, like how it's gonna be and how my characters are gonna look like. And then ChatGPT is gonna basically know all of my story, my renders, and then it's gonna create me a YouTube short story. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and say it to break down the story into the form of prompts. So what we're going to do is we're going to create images first of all by text to image generation, and then we'll be generating the videos with the help of image to video generation, right? So first of all, the character consistency is really important. ChatGPT recognizes that, and then it's going to provide me the images prompt for all of the scenes, right? So here we go. Here we have the image 1 office scene, image 2 office close interaction, image 3 strawberry girl, image 4 husband waiting. Now we have all the text to images prompts. So from here, what you can do is you can easily create those in a Nano Banana, like in Mid Journey, but I prefer creating those in ChatGPT itself so that I get those consistency in my characters, like, perfectly. Okay, so then I'm gonna go to ChatGPT again. I'm gonna simply provide the screenshot to this all over again, then simply copy and paste my first prompt right over here. And then ChatGPT is going to provide me my own version of this image, which is this, which looks absolutely perfect. And then similarly, I'm going to go ahead and copy paste my second prompt, my third prompt, my fourth prompt, all into ChatGPT just like that. And now let me show you, we have all the variations of our image one by one that are ready to animate. So this is the second one, then the third one, then the fourth, and then the last one. Okay, so I'm creating kind of a short story just for your guidance, like how you can create that. So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to simply go ahead and download all of these images one by one from this download button. Okay, so once all of my images are downloaded, so our next step is we need to go ahead and animate those images with the help of image to video generation. And for that, we'll be creating those inside of Higgsfield AI. Okay, and I'm going to go to the video section of Higgsfield, click on create video. And then I'm going to jump into this video section. And from here, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and select your model as CDance 1.5 Pro, because that's going to go ahead and create the perfect animation for us with perfect dialogue delivery, with perfect background music and everything. And yeah, we're going to select this CDance 1.5 Pro. And then one by one, I'm going to go ahead and simply start uploading my images that I created with ChatGPT one by one over here, you guys. Okay, so here is my first image, and then I'm gonna go back to ChatGPT. Simply need to go ahead and say, all right, I want to go ahead and create me the video prompts, and make sure you provide the dialogues and everything. And then ChatGPT basically provided me the image to video prompts now that we can easily go ahead and copy paste those inside of Higgsfield AI. Okay, I'm going to simply copy that, come to Higgsfield, simply paste it right over here. Let's just like that. Make sure you select 8 seconds, 9:16 aspect ratio, and audio section is turned on. Okay, you guys. Then we're going to generate those. And similarly, we're going to go ahead and generate all of the scenes one by one inside of Higgsfield AI by using Cdance 1.5 Pro. Okay. All right. So once all of our videos are generated, like take a look at this, I'm going to simply need to go ahead and download these one by one from this download button inside of Higgsfield AI. Okay, so once my videos are downloaded with me as well, so the next thing we need to do is we need to combine all of these videos together inside of any editor. You can choose CapCut, Adobe Premiere Pro, but I'm using Filmora in this case. I'm gonna simply need to go ahead and upload all of my videos inside of here and simply drag those into my timeline just like that. And then we need to go ahead and input the background music that we see inside of TikTok, like this kind of music. So I have basically searched this music. This background music, like slowed and reverb. I'm gonna simply need to go ahead and download this by this website. It is Y2Mate. I'm gonna download the audio version of that, and I'm gonna drop that into my timeline as well. Make sure you adjust the volume of both of your dialogues, clip and the background music, so your dialogue is very much audible. And once everything is done, simply need to go ahead and export your video in 9:16 aspect ratio. And here is the final output, you guys. Take a look at this.
Someone is gonna find out I shouldn't have done this. This was a mistake.
Relax, the whole office is empty. Everyone already went home. And tonight, you don't need to worry about anything. Where were you? It's past midnight.
My boss kept me late. There was a lot of work. He needed help finishing some reports.
I don't like your boss. I hope you're telling me the truth.
I did know how to tell you.
Tell me what?
We're going to have a baby.
Your boss?
All right, you guys, so that was the easiest method. You can go ahead and create these kind of funny fruit videos very, very easily by using just, ChatGPT and Higgsfield AI. So yeah, I hope you like this video. And if you want, I can even go ahead and provide you the simpler version if you are interested in that. Just comment down below and I'm going to create that version for you guys as well. So yeah, that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.